Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today lecture, I'm telling you how we convert a text into QR code. A very simple method how you convert QR text into QR code. The first of all, you go to Google. In the Google, you type simply QR code. QR code. Then you see the first link on Google, QR code generator, and click on this link. The link is open and you see it, enter text to share here. So I'm write any text. I'm write my name like Haider Ali. Haider Ali. So you see it. I'm typing Haider Ali. Then QR code is generated right side of this screen. Simply you write any number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you write any large number on this text box. When you enter the large number in text box, the QR code generate on the right side of the screen. The two way of the saving this QR code, simply click the save button and write the file name my code and simple save. Another way to save the code, right click on the picture of QR code and save image. The two way to save the image, I will open this image, click and open, and you see the QR code is saved on my computer, and you use this code anywhere on your website, on your products, anywhere to save the QR code. Okay, thank you. If you like my lecture, then subscribe my channel, like, comments, and thank you ji. Allah Hafiz.